Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a very common error in Springboot, which is the port 8080 is already in use. In my case, I already have Jenkins running on the port 8080, so we need to troubleshoot that part. But first, if this is your first time in the channel, I'll invite you to take a look on the playlist where you will find a lot of free tutorials for Docker, AWS, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, SonarQube, and much more. Okay, let me show you what I have here for this application. As you can see, I have my source folder where all the code resides. This application is, I got this application from a public repository in GitHub, which is a very basic website that will be published only one page. Okay, then if I try to run the application with the command npm springboot run, now it will download all the dependencies and then it will try to start the application. Here you can see the error I got and the message. It says that the port was already in use, the port 8080. Okay, we can confirm that the port is in use with netstat command, and we can grep for the port, and here as you can see Java is using the port, and I know that is Jenkins. So, systemctl status Jenkins, and as you can see the service is running. Okay, how can we fix this? In Spring Boot, we have the applications.property file where we can specify another port to run among another features and another configuration that we need to specify. We can specify in that file. But for this video, I'm going to show you this thing about the port. Okay, it's located in the source, main resources, and then applications.properties. Here, I'm going to specify server port equals to a new port 8082. I will put that one. Then I'm going to save the changes and I'm going to run the command again. Springboot run. Okay, it will try to start the application again. Starting the Spring engine, and now the application was started as you can see here. It took almost 1.5 seconds. And also we can go to the browser and try to access localhost in the port we specified, which is 8082. And now the application should be displayed. Yeah, as you can see, as I mentioned, it's just a very simple web application, one page. It's showing some information here, but the point is that the application is now running and we have changed the port where is running this application. Okay, go back here, and this is the first step to run the Spring Boot application. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to put this application in a Docker image, and then in another video I will show you how to deploy this image in a platform service. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.